In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your Nissan Quest. With the hood open, we want to go ahead and loosen and remove this 10mm bolt, as well as the one on the other side. Grab this here. Gently pull that up and out and set it aside. Using our 10mm socket, loosen the nut, twist that off the ground. Use your 10mm socket, loosen the nut, give that a twist, and pull that off. On the upper brace here, we have a bracket that comes over and holds the computer right here. We're going to loosen and remove this 10mm bolt. Right behind the bracket, there's a J stud here with a 10mm nut. On the other side, we also have a J nut here. Once you loosen that, you can twist that and pull it up. So there's the J that we talk about that actually hooks into the body itself to lock that in place. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and throw the nut back on the stud over here. Already installed the 10mm bolt right here. Now we can grab our battery, pull it up and out. Good, bring your battery up. Make sure the battery tray is clean of any debris. Lower that down into the tray. Go ahead and grab your bracket. Feed that underneath the strap. Go ahead and remove the bolt and the nut off of our stud over here. Go ahead and line that up. Install that bolt through the bracket into the computer bracket. I'm going to loosely start the nut on the battery stud on the back side. I'm going to drop our J bolt down inside the chassis itself or into the body. Now what we want to do is gently snug down that stud here or the nut onto the J bolt, and then we'll snug down the other side. Now all you want to do is make sure that the battery is good and secure. You can go ahead and give that battery a jiggle and make sure that is good. Now that we have our brace installed and both of the nuts are snug, you can go ahead and give the battery a good little tug, make sure that it is secured. Install the positive terminal on the battery. Go ahead and snug that down. Give that a good twist, make sure it's good and secure. Go ahead and snug down the bracket. Install the ground terminal. Slide that down on the post. Using your 10mm socket, go ahead and snug that down. Once it bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. Make sure it's good and snug. Give that post a little wiggle. We're good and secure. Lower the airbox down into the air filter port. Wiggle it down, line it up, and install your two 10mm bolts. Go ahead and snug them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.